All right, y'all. So this morning, what's today? October 26th. Birdman with me.
Morning.
What's up? He's been catching a big 10 point on camera since last year. Actually, last year he was a big 8, and been real consistent on the camera. So this year, when he popped out, he grew, I mean, leaps and bounds, turned into a big, pretty 10 point, and he's been real consistent on camera up until what, about 2 weeks ago?
Yeah, I think when the acorns started falling.
Yeah, once the acorns started falling, he just, vanished into the woods where he was clockwork, baby. But we're gonna sneak in here this morning. Jason's got a blind set up. Wind's good. It's really hot this morning. It feels like it's like 71 degrees. It feels a lot harder than it has been, so I don't know how that's gonna play into it, but anyway, things should be good. He popped back up on the camera about 2 days ago, and so we're gonna slide in here. So we'll see you guys in the blind. Well, no luck this morning. It's 9 o'clock, heading home, raining, as you can see. It was hot this morning. It's like 70 degrees getting the stand. Storm coming in. I think the deer, for the most part, just didn't feel like getting up, moving around. I don't blame them. But hey, you gotta give it the old college try, right? So that being said, the Auburn Tigers take on the LSU Tigers today. War Eagle. Hope we don't get a beat down, but I have a feeling that them Auburn Tigers are going to shock the world, boy. We'll see. Anyway, tune in next time. We're going to keep hunting them. We're going to keep chasing them. So, see y'all soon.